Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm just going to show you how well my stone fruits are coming in, and they're looking mighty good. Let's start over. Okay, you see, got some leaves, some buds coming in. These are my plum trees. Actually, that's peach. Look how nice they're looking. And a few weeks ago, they were bone dry. And oh my goodness, there's my avocado tree. I'm sad. I'm kind of moved a little fast, but yeah, look at it. Sun is pretty bright today. But yeah, that cold really did a number on these trees. Here's another. This is the apple tree. That's blossoming. They're coming along. Here's another apple. And I think this is a pear. Let's see. Nope, there's another apple. Oh, these might all be apples down here. I can't remember. Oh yeah, these are all apple. Some are coming in all the way down, and we're clearing that out. I'm just going to show you real quick. Over here we have some grape cuttings. Right there. Oh, focus, focus. This is a peach. We've had this tree for a while. We get a lot of fruits from that one. And right here we have mulberry cuttings. They're coming up. Here is another stone fruit. They're just blossoming everywhere. This one is a plum. Look at my ducks. We moved them over. They're happy. We have those two. Those stay out. They roam around. Those are the two males. They like to bully the little ones. Look how cute. Alright. Actually, I need to take this so I could give the other ones some water. Oh Lord. I got it stuck in here. Alright. Let me undo this. You see, those are the other two. And we have some more grape cuttings right here that I worked on. I watered them earlier, but I'll hit them again. See, this is coming up. Nectarine. This is a plum, I believe. There's more plums, more plums. There's a guinea. That's one noisy creature. The chickens. They already had food and water, but they're kind of greedy. Here's the other set. Fill up their water anyway. Oh, I need more pressure. That's all right. I'm just gonna fill up down there. I already took out the eggs today. I took out 13 eggs. Give you guys some water. Well, how did you get dirt in your water? Those are the geese. And the key to raising geese, you have to interact with them or else they will chase you. They are mean. They're just like a guard dog. Seriously, probably worse. But if you interact with them, they'll be your best friend. They'll be your protector. So if you're getting some geese, you better play with them. I'm not gonna take them out now. Oh, you guys have dirt poop in you. I'm just gonna fill it up for them. They were with the ducks, but we took them out. Well, we moved the ducks because the geese don't really need water as much as the ducks do. But yeah, we're not sure if we have which is a female or a male. We're hoping to have one of each. And yeah. Let them have a little fun in the water. Okay. I usually fill up their red container, the red and white container with water. But for some reason, I have to figure it out if it's the water is leaking out. So I just come back here 2-3 times a day, sometimes 4, and make sure they have enough water. And they have plenty of food. Their food is in the blue bins. And normally I put some on the ground for them. They like to get them out the ground. So that's the little noisy, kind of cute but ugly little thing. Let me see if they... Let's see. I already picked up the eggs, but I'm just going to see if they dropped any more. Yep, see, they dropped one more. So that's 14 for the day. And I usually get anywhere between 14, 15, 16. Wow, okay. So I'm going to leave those for tomorrow. I'm not going to pick them up. So yeah, these are my chickens. Oh, let me take you back here and show you the other trees coming in back here. This is a mulberry. That's coming in also. My bigger mulberry is right there. That's the one I grafted from. And we have some more cuttings over here. Here, look at these fruits coming in. Look. Yes. This one has a lot on there. Yep. And the good thing is that they're not all coming in all at once. So this way, they're staggered. Here are some of my grape cuttings. Back here. Yep. And we mulched it to kind of keep them moist. Those are potatoes coming in. Potatoes. Look at the new growth. Now we're gonna have to cut this back because it's kind of not so. We're gonna look at all these tomatoes. These are the oranges, tangerines, lemon. Let's see what else. Lime. They go all the way up here. We're mulching it again because we're coming up on summer and we already pruned them. We had to cut them back because a lot of them got damaged from the cold, but they're still thriving. This one did awesome. And so we're putting more mulch just to keep it moist for the summer months. So all the way up there, all the piles, that's what we're gonna do now. We just have to spread them around each tree. And we still have to finish those grapes right there, those right there. We've completed that one, that set right there. Oh, you can see these blossoms. This one is a Florida peach. No, Florida King peach. Oops. All right, let's go back here. So guys, this work is never ending. It's constant, it's ongoing, but it's worth it when you see your plants growing. And I'm gonna show you this. Look at this fig tree, how beautiful it looks. I wanted my husband to move it and he's like, no, because I think it's a little too close to the building. But he said, no, it's doing good in this spot, so we're gonna leave it there. It's okay. They bear fruit, so I don't mind. And this is, I think it's a lemon tree. I believe lemon. It's right here. And, all right, so here, more potatoes. And this is just from him throwing stuff over here. But we got us a nice peach tree coming in right here with a few peaches on there. Good amount on there, yeah. That one I think is dead. So we got to replace that one. We got, that looks like a plum right here. Peach. So back here we have mostly peaches and plums. Back here. And a few oranges or tangerines, yeah. I think the up front was the peaches. All the labels are not on the tree anymore. We went around and we pretty much took them all off. But yeah, this is what we have going on back here. See, they're all coming up. So that, like I said, they're staggered. Like this one is just not coming in, while some of these have been, coming in. Look at the blossom. I want to say this is a orange or a lime. I think it's an orange. I'm not sure. And this is the mounds of mulch that we still have to spread. And we have these pots here. We're going to transplant some of the tomatoes. And look, we have watermelon growing all over. We got to transplant them. This is just from seeds from compost that he threw, and they're starting to grow. See, he does that, and then eventually when he's put them out, they could just start growing. So, ow, ooh, I just stepped on something. Oops. All right. Let's see. Let me turn this water off. So yeah, we have to fix up this grape section right here. Here's that mulberry tree that we did the cuttings from that I showed you earlier. And the grapes, we got cuttings from those. So we had to thin them out. So we did this entire section. They're still not quite waking up yet. So I think we have maybe a week or two, and we went and thinned that one. These are here also. So, can't wait to eat some grapes. All right, let's go. Let's go this way. Yep, this nectarine is starting to wake up also. Starting to blossom. I don't know what that is. But here we have, what the heck? A plum tree that's coming in. Now you see the difference between that one and that one, which is good. They're all waking up at different times. There's some more here, here, and this one. You see that part is dead, but the new ones are coming in. And let's see. Yep, they're starting to work. Yep. They're waking up. Now this tree, oh my God, we got so many from this tree last year. Yep. So it looks like this branch here is dead. So we probably have to cut that out. This was, oh, and look what we have here. Oh, we have quite a few. See them coming in? They are coming in. Yes, yes, thank you, Lord. So this tree made it. This is the one we had fruits hanging on the ground last year. Here are the squirrels. Okay, this one is starting to blossom. Here we go. And I just noticed these grapes are coming in. Oh, all right. All right. Didn't notice that. Yeah. See, this section here is dead. Yeah, this whole half, but this side is still all right. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we have one more there. Oh, that's a crepe myrtle, I think. Okay, this one. Oh no, that's not it. If I'm not mistaken, that first one is a donut peach. Let me see if these grapes are doing anything yet. These are the first ones we pruned. I don't see anything green yet. But we're still early. I guess this is going to be a yard tour. So right here, I think this is an olive tree. Let's see. Yep, it's an olive tree. It's doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. This one is a black olive. Okay, it's still alive. This is my moringa, which we should have trimmed it back, which I need to do that actually. Yep. Look how tall that is. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we need to trim it back. We got our loquats. kumquats. I get them mixed up, but they're blossoming. And let's see, what is this? What is this? I have not a clue what this is. I don't know. Might not be something edible. It reminds me of a magnolia, but I could be wrong. All right, guys, that is it. That's just a mini tour. I was just walking my yard and I figured I'd tag you guys along. Anyway, happy Saturday. Have a wonderful rest of the week. Actually, the new beginning of the week. Be blessed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks again for all your support and comments. Thank you. We love you.